Messiah is an English-language oratorio composed in 1741 by George Frideric Handel. The text was compiled from the King James Bible and the Coverdale Psalter by Charles Jennens. It was first performed in Dublin on 13 April 1742 and received its London premiere nearly a year later. After an initially modest public reception, the oratorio gained in popularity, eventually becoming one of the best-known and most frequently performed choral works in Western music. Handel's reputation in England, where he had lived since 1712, had been established through his compositions of Italian opera. He turned to English oratorio in the 1730s in response to changes in public taste. Messiah was his sixth work in this genre. Although its structure resembles that of opera, it is not in dramatic form. There are no impersonations of characters and no direct speech. Instead, Jennens' text is an extended reflection on Jesus as the Messiah called Christ. The text begins in part I with prophecies by Isaiah and others and moves to the Annunciation to the shepherds, the only scene taken from the Gospels. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.